I'm Sarah Cermak, and this is a one-shot question. So the question is, what is the difference between genderqueer and transgendered? Came up in an earlier episode, so let's get a little bit more specific and define those. Genderqueer is one part of the broader gender spectrum. It is a way of saying that my gender is different. My gender is queer. My gender does not fit on the normal masculine-feminine spectrum. Right? Think of it as sort of the satellite that orbits around the gender spectrum, or is just a little bit off the path, or some other way of looking at that. Transgendered, on the other hand, is a way of saying that my gender identity is different from my biological sex. Right? So if I'm male, if I were transgendered, then my gender identity would be female. If I'm female, and I was transgendered, then my gender identity would be male. Now, that's pretty specific, and it again is a little bit of a broader spectrum because it's not a black and white issue. So you can be more male and more female, more male, either way. So in general, the difference between the two is if you're genderqueer, you identify somewhere slightly off the masculine-feminine spectrum. And if you're transgender, right, your gender identity is different than the biological sex you were born into. I'm Sarah Cermak. This was a one-shot question. Please keep watching. We'll keep doing this.